Hello friends, welcome back. So in this session we will learn about arrays and collections class of collection API. So in arrays is a class that contains various methods for manipulating arrays such as sorting or searching. Suppose we have an array. We have already learned what is array, how we can create the array in Java. For that array, if we want to do some searching or sorting algorithms, then we have to give the implementation first, and then we have to use that implementation, and we can do whatever operation we want on that array, such as sorting or searching or inserting, deletion. So all that operations we can perform. But in the utility package, one arrays class is already given, that is used to do the manipulation on array. In the same way, for collection also, suppose we have one collection, that can be anything, like that can be a list, set, queue, that can be anything, but that is we say that is a collection only. So on top of that collection, if we want to do the same operation like insertion, deletion, manipulation, searching, sorting, so how exactly we can do using collections class. Arrays class we can use to manipulate the array, and collections class we can use to manipulate the collection. Okay, so this array class contain a various method for manipulating arrays such as sorting and searching, and array class has all the static method. Whatever the methods are provided in arrays class, that all methods are static. We no need to create the object for arrays, we can directly use that method. Arrays class has private constructor. So that what is the meaning of private constructor? We cannot create the object for that one, and the object for arrays cannot be created because the constructor is private. So here are some of the methods that is provided into arrays class. Arrays class, first one is a sort. Suppose if we want to sort the array, how we can do? We can sort that array using this sort method, and the sort method is overloaded, that is overloaded. In the same class, the sort method is available with the different signature. Suppose here if you see same sort method, but it will sort from this index to this index. In the same way, this is a sort method is given for integer type array, for string type array, boolean type array, string type array, or for boolean also, for any other character, byte, int, short, long, for all the types, double, float, for all the types, the sort method is available because that is overloaded method. Okay, so let's see the example first. So here if you see, we have created one array, that is a element. Don't consider this second one, we will see this later. So one array we have created here, that is elements, that is taking these values 5, 8, 2, 6, 9, 1, 3, 7, 4. And what we have did here, we have written one print method. That what is this print method is doing? It is just printing the element of that array, that's it. So if I run this one, so simply it will print how many elements are there in the same order how we added. It is printing. But what if I will apply here sort? What will happen? Because this sort method, what it will do, it will sort the array basis on their type. Suppose currently this array is a type of integer, so it will sort according to 1 2 3 4, like in numerical order. So if it is a string, then it will use to sort the comparable method. Comparable method it will use to sort. Okay, so if I run this one, and you will see now this element, this array is sorted. Array is sorted. Suppose this is it is sorting this element, and the same array it is sorting. And if I will use indexes, so from the second index to till sixth index it will sort, but sixth index will be excluded, second index will be included, and it will sort the element within that. Suppose 0 1 2, so this is the second index. 2 3 4 5, yes, till 5, fifth index, means it is starting from 0, so it will go to fifth index, so it is sorting to that element only. Okay, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5, and this is a 6, but it is in excluding the sixth one, so it is sorting till here only. This is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so it is sorting within this element. And if you use parallel sort, what it will do? Parallel sort is also one method that is available here. So if you we see what is parallel sort. Parallel sort use threads. It is used to threads. Multiple threads will be there that will sort that element. Means that array will be divided into chunks, or we can say that array will be divided into parts. Suppose 10 elements are there, so that elements will be may be divided into 3 slot or 2 elements of different slot, and that slot will be sorted, and after that sorting the slots, that slot will be appended according to their higher or lower type. So this will work faster. Parallel sort will work faster than sort only, because sort will use only quick sort, but parallel sort will use merge sort also. Okay, so this is the meaning of sort here. So parallel sort, you will see if we use parallel sort, then also you will find the same result, but that result, the sorting process is very fast. So this is the meaning of parallel sort here. If we want to sort, use sort, we can use sort, but parallel sort is most recommended you should do, because it is faster in sorting techniques. Okay, and as we have already seen, this sort method is available for all the types. For all the types means, suppose currently we are sorting only integer type here, arrays dot. If you see, the sort method is overloaded, because this method is available with the different type. This is for byte, character, double, float, int, long, object, short. This is a generic type, and you have to supply the comparator to short. What is the meaning of this short t? This is a generic type. Generic means any types of array you can supply, but the same type of comparator also you have to give. That comparator should be type of t, super of t, means that should be the subtype of arrays type element. Then it will use that comparator to sort the element, or you can give array object also. It will sort how it will sort. It will sort using compare to method. Compare to method must not be throw class cast exception, because if you use this object array, then that class should be the subtype of comparable. Okay, and the sort is available with this sort type also. Sort of t, sort byte, character, sort double, float, int, long, object, from index to index. Now this is giving for indexes. Same method is giving with the another signature. Here it is asking for index number also, from which index to which to what index we want to sort. So this method is overloaded here. Okay, so like that all the methods will be overloaded. This sort method is also overloaded here. So the same method, sort and parallel sort, both methods are overloaded with the different signature. Same method you can use, you can sort using int type array or byte type array, boolean sort, any type of array you can sort using the sort method. And the parallel method is also same, that is also overloaded for different types and with the index also. Okay, so the difference between sort and parallel sort is this, only that much only. Parallel sort is using quick sort and parallel sort is using quick sort and merge sort both, and sort method is using only the quick sort, because in parallel sort if you see the definition, it will use threading. Multiple threads will be used to sort the element, so that will be faster than sort method. Okay, and the next one is this is for sorting only. Next one is a binary search. But see, in the data structure searching and sorting algorithms are there. So many types of searching are there, so many types of sorting are there. Like here we have only two, quick sort and merge sort. So many other sortings are also there, bubble sort, so like that. So many sorting techniques are there. In the same way, data structure also has a searching techniques. Searching means we have to search the element from the index. So that two searching techniques are there. One is the linear search, another one is a binary search. Linear search will search the element from beginning to the last. From searching will be started from the first index of array till the last index of array. The searching will be happen. But if it is a binary search, then it will not be searched from the first index to last index. It will always divide the array on the basis of upper value or lower value. Suppose for condition for binary search is the array must be in sorted order first. If your array is sorted, then only it will be binary search will be applied. Otherwise you have to always go for linear search. But in this arrays class, arrays class there is a no linear search. Linear search method is not there. Linear search method is not there. If you see, binary search is available, but linear search is not available. So how we have to sort the element? Because our array is not in sorted order. But I want to search the element of element 6, at what position that sixth element is available. So what I should do? First I have to sort this array. After sorting this array, we can search the element. Now this will search the index. Yes, this is available at fifth index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At fifth index, 6 element is available. So now it is applying. If we will not sort this one, it will not apply the sorting. It will give -2, means element is not available. If it is a negative value, means element is not available. Okay, so first we have to always to apply binary search, first we have always to sort that array. Now after sorting, we are getting the exact result. Okay, and this binary search, if we want to apply from particular index to particular index, that also we can do. it's not available. Now it is not available. Okay, because this binary search, if you see, from index to index as to key, this is binary search. Binary search from which array, from this array I want to search this key, and this key, if it is available, it will return the index of that array, otherwise it will return some negative value, means that element is not available into that array. And if we want to search that element from this index to this index and this element, then it will search. In the same way, we have already seen this binary search method is also overloaded. Binary search method is also overloaded in the arrays class for different element. This currently we are searching for integer type array. If we want to search for string or string, byte, float, boolean, double, for any types we can search using this one. Okay, so this is binary search. This is binary search. Okay, next one is as list. What as list will do? What will do as list? As list will do nothing. It will transfer that arrays into a list. It is not like that completely. It will one element it will add into this list. It will return a list of array of that type only. Whatever the type we are giving here, that type of list it is giving. From that index I am getting the first element, and from that first element again I am iterating. We can do that also. As list, return a fixed size of backed by the specified array. Here we will give the n number of elements, so it will return the list of that element. Suppose here what we are doing, we are giving elements, but suppose if I will give like that, as list 5 6 9 2 1 0, and in this way, now how it will come? It will come as a integer list 2. Now it will give the list of integer type. Whatever the type we will give, it will return of that type only. Now you can iterate this one. Yes, this one we can comment, no issue. Yes, so this 5 6 9 2 1 0, 5 6 9 2 1 8, you can give, no issue. This is the elements, that array that we have created, but this is a list. This is a list, or you can directly print this list, because toString is overridden in this list class. So, okay, system dot out dot println list 2. Okay, that is also fine. And if you give, currently we are giving integer type, so this list is coming as an integer type. If we will give this as a string type, like ABCD JKLM XYZ, so now this will come as a string type. That's it. Now this list will be of a string type, and here we were giving the type of elements, means we were giving the type of integer type array, so it is returning list of integer type array. Okay, so this is the use of a list method. This is the use of list method. Compare means, suppose now we will see how we will compare two array, whether the two array is same or not. We can compare two array if the elements of that array, if the element of these two array are same, then we can say that array is a same, otherwise the arrays are not same. So how we can do that one? We can do that using compare method. We can use this compare method, and compare method we will supply both the element and it will return result in the form of number. If it is a -1 means elements are not same, because if you see all elements are same but the last element is 4 and 5, that is not same. Suppose if it is the same, if it is same, then result will be 0. It means the elements are same. If it is a negative value, suppose first one is a 6, second one is a 4, then it will return a positive number. If it is a positive number, then first array is greater than second one. And if the result is minus, if the result is -1, sorry, in minus, that can be -1 or 2, it's not if it is a minus, then it will give, we will consider the second element, second array is greater than first one. So this is the use of this compare method, and this compare method is again overloaded for all the types, and we can give the generic type also. In that case we have to give comparator. Okay, this is the meaning of a compare method. Okay, and next one is, this compare only. Compare unsigned is also there. Compare unsigned, what will do? Suppose if you see the binary number, the first bit of binary number is representing the value as representing the signing bit of a number, means that will define whether the whether the number is positive or negative. If it is number is positive, then that bit will be 1, and if it is a 0, then bit will be positive. If it is a 1, then bit will be minus. So it will compare unsigned. Unsigned means it will consider 128. If it is a byte, it will consider 128. That is a positive number, always positive number. It will not take a negative number. So this is the meaning of unsigned. Okay, copy of. What is the meaning of copy of? You can copy copy of original to new length. Okay, so copy of it, what it will return? It will return the copy of this array, copy of existing array. Suppose if we have to create the copy, suppose we have already seen the cloning. What is the meaning of cloning? Cloning is nothing but creating the copy of existing object. How we will create the copy of existing object? We have to implement the clonable interface, and we have to give the implementation for the clone method. If it is a shallow cloning or deep cloning, accordingly we have to give. But if it is an array, for that array, if we want to create the copy because array is an object only, but array class, array object, how it will be? We will define array in this way only. We have not created any class for this one. So how we will create the copy of existing array? Either we have to do manually, we have to create one util class. Using that utility class, we have to create the copy of existing array, but that is already given into this copy of method. So this copy of method will return a new array. It is returning a new array of a same size. What exactly the size? Suppose this one, copy of element 5th, means fifth till the first 5 element. Copy of the existing element array from 0 to 5th index, from 0 to 5th index, and it is creating the copy, and that copy is coming into temp elements, this is the actual array, this is our actual array. But if you see line number 40, we are giving arrays dot copy of element 5. It means from 0 index to 5th index create a copy of array, and that array is returning here. If we want to start specify the starting index, that also we can specify in this way. Now create the copy of elements, start from 2nd index till 7th index, so 0 1 2. So this is the 2nd index, from 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 6th means this one only, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7th index it will exclude, this 2nd index will be included, and the last index will be excluded. First index will be included, 2nd index will be excluded, and it will creating the copy of existing array. Equal also we can apply. Equal, how if two elements are equal, how two arrays are equal? If that array has the same element. It's not like that two arrays reference variable is pointed to same object. In that case, that is equal. No, we can say that the elements are equal if and only if the both elements has the same, both array has the same element, then only we can say that arrays are equal. So now currently it will return false, because this element and elements and elements 2 are not equal. How it will be equal? If I will give here also 6, now these are equal. Yes, now it is equal, true. Okay, so this is meaning of equal. Another one is a deep equal. What is the meaning of deep equal? Suppose currently this array is the type of where is deep equal? Okay, and this deep equal also we can use. What is the meaning of deep equal? Equal we can check for any type. This equal we can check for any type. If you see the implementation, equal, that equal is available for all types, for boolean, byte, character, double, float, int, long, object, short, any generic type also with the comparator. It is equal. Or you can check equal from the index to what index, that also is available, no issue. But deep equal, if you see, deep equal is available only with object array to object array, that's it. Two object arrays are equal. How exactly it is possible? That array should not be the type of primitive data type. That array should be the type of any user defined data type. That can be the type of string or any student type also, or any student, customer, employee, person, student, any type, address, any type it can be there, but it should not be primitive type. Then only you can do the deep equal. Okay, this is the meaning of deep equal here. Compare equal, deep equal. Next one is a fill, or fill with this value. So that array will be filled with this one only. Now this array will be filled with 0 now. If we don't use this fill method, whatever the actual elements we added, that element is available only. But if we will apply fill, it means it will fill the array with 0. And if we will use the second fill with from third to 7 index with by 0, from third to 7th index means fill 0 from third to 7 index. That's it, from third to 7th index. 7th will be excluded, only third will be included. Okay, so this is the meaning of fill. Next one is hash code. What is hash code? What is hash code? Suppose elements dot hash code if you apply, and element 2 hash code if you apply, what will be there? Because element 1 and element 2, because that is also an object, and this also has the method hash code. So what will be the value of hash code of element 1 and element 2? Element 1 dot hash code and element 2 dot hash code, that value will be different. Value will be different for both. For both it is different. Either that elements are same, either the elements are same, but still it will give different hash code. Even the elements the elements of array elements and elements 2, even the values of array elements and elements 2 are same, but the hash code is different. Because how it is taking, that is taking the JVM assigned hash code, because inside JVM when JVM is creating an object, it is giving some unique hash code to each of the object. Either that object has the same value or different value, doesn't matter. But what we want, we have to check, or we have to get the hash code on the basis of elements, if that element, if the array has the same element, then hash code also should be same, it should not be different. So how we will get that one? That we can get using arrays dot hash code method. Arrays dot hash code of element and element 2. Now for these two, hash code is same. If you see, this is arrays hash code, this is direct hash code that we are applying on arrays in array elements dot hash code and elements 2 dot hash code, that is different. But if we apply arrays dot hash code of that element of that array, it will give the same hash code, because that element is same. If we change the value, then it will give the different hash code, Yes, now it is giving different hash code. Okay, so this is the meaning of arrays dot hash code. Okay, next one is fill hash code mismatch. Next one is mismatch. Where is mismatch? See, is there any mismatch between array elements and elements 2? Yes, mismatch is there. At what index mismatch is available? 8th index mismatch is available, because the last index is mismatching for these elements, that's why it is giving. Now if it is a -1, then it means there is no mismatch, between elements and elements 2. So this is the meaning of mismatch. If there is any mismatch of values at any index into the given arrays, then it will return the index of mismatching element, otherwise it will return -1. Okay, next one is parallel prefix. What is parallel prefix? What it will do, it will shift the element. So see, how it will not shift, it will do the whatever the implementations we are providing into this prefix, because this prefix method, if you see, it is taking binary int binary operator, and that int binary operator is nothing but a functional interface that is taking two values, left and right, left side and right side value, and you have to return another integer value, so here this is the left one and this is the right, so left and right it is printing. Yes, so how we are writing, we are printing left and right. Left 5 8, first it is returning 5 8 2 6, sorry 5 8 8 2, but second will be replaced with, second time this 8 will be replaced with left plus right, means 8 plus 5 13, so 13 2, and now 13 plus 2 how much, 15, so 15 6, now 15 plus 6 how much, 21, so next will be 21 and 9, next one how much will be 29, 21 plus 9 30, and next will be 30 and 1, so it will coming in this way. This is the meaning of prefix, parallel prefix. Okay, next one is parallel set all. What is the meaning of parallel set all? So it will give one operand 5, what you will return, operand into 3, so 0 3 6 9 20. Okay, so this is parallel, means multiple threads are setting that element according to this operation. Whatever the operand we are setting, first it is coming 5, so 5 we are multiplying with 3, how much, 15, so 15 it is setting at this index. Next time that index also may change, because multiple threads they are setting and they are sorting also, because if it is in sorting order, so definitely it will be in the same order. Okay, that's fine. Next one is split off. Arrays dot splitter, we can get the splitter also, and using this splitter we can print, no issue. Splitter is again split of integer of int, splitter of integer type it is returning, and using that splitter we can print. This is nothing but an interface only. Splitter is an interface only, it is returning of a splitter of int, it is returning. See, splitter of int in inner interface, that is inner interface of integer type splitter. You can use this splitter to split the elements. Okay, yes, we have to give this consumer here for each remaining, it is print. Now it will print 2691 because we have given the index. If we will not give the index, it will give the splitter for all the elements, Okay, so this is the meaning of splitter here. Next one is stream, int stream. Next one is a stream. The stream API we will see in the next session. Just currently you understand it is returning an array dot init stream, int stream, and using this int stream we can print the values, or we can get the find value, first value, what is the first value of that stream, or so many operations will be there. That int stream we will see the streaming API, java.util.stream, that streaming API we will see in the next session. Okay, so this is, it will return a stream of a int. It will return the stream of a respective type. This currently this array elements of this array is a type of integer, so it is giving int stream. If it is a string, then it will give string stream, like that it will return. If it is a boolean stream, byte stream, short stream, like that it will give. Okay, next one is toString element. If we directly print, it is coming in this way, but if we apply arrays dot toString, because if you see this print method is there, no, system.out.println, and this println method is nothing but it is again applying to string only, string dot value of this s, print s, so it is applying the to string only. But here if we apply arrays dot to string, it will print the element in this way, 5829269136. okay, so this is these are the important methods that are available into arrays class, arrays class, splitter. Okay, that's only. And next one is the collections. Inside collection, collection also that is also using to manipulate the collection only. Searching or sorting algorithms are implemented into collections class for collection type reference variable. This class has all the static method also, and this class has a collections class has a private constructor, and the object of collections class also cannot be created, and it contains a polymorphic algorithms that operate on the collections wrappers, which return a new collection backed by the specified. It is returning new collection also. Okay, we will see we will see all the methods one by one. So here we have you can see we have created one collection. Collection is a type of a list only, because list is nothing but the collection only. Okay, so we have created one collection of a list type, and that collections, what we have did, we have just print that one, so it is coming. And the first method is add all. So what it will do, inside this collections, or we can say this is a list, inside this list we are adding 11, 22, 33, 44. Yes, and we have not printed that one, sorry. Yes, okay, after that also we have to print. So 58269137 are the actual element of that collection. After that one we have added our own elements. Okay, so this is the meaning of add all. Next one is a sort. Sort is also available. We can sort this collection, and if you see collection dot sort, this sort is available only for the list. It is not available for the set or queue. It's not available. It is only available for this list only. Why? Because set is already in sorted order. If we will use tree set, we have already seen that list and set collection API. In that list and set collection API, what is the difference between list and set? Set don't have a duplicate element, and it also maintain the insertion order, or it can be in sorted order if we will use tree set. So that's why they have not given for set, they have only given for the list only, because list is not in sorted order. Okay, so this is the meaning of this sort. It will sort the elements. Okay, next one is as LIFO queue. It will return from the DQ, it will give the LIFO queue. Okay, that is fine. Next one is this is short for list, and short for list with the comparator is also available. If we want to give this some specific comparator, it will use that comparator. Synchronized sorted list, if we want to get the synchronized sorted list, that also we can give. So so this we can sort. After sorting this list, we can apply binary search also, because for this collection also there is no linear search. Linear search is not there, only just binary search is available. Yes, this is a binary search, and it will use this comparable to it should that list this list is generic type, that should be the subtype of comparable only. Okay, so we can apply the binary search on that one, and if we want to search 6, that also we can do, but currently it will give the -2, but this index is available because we have not applied the sorting algorithm first. So first we have to sort. After sorting we will find this is the at the first index this is available, because if we print after sorting, then only we will come to know. Yes, 0 1 2 3 4 5, this is the fifth index, is 6th is available. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes. Okay, so this is the meaning of searching and sorting here. Next one is a synchronized sorted list, synchronized sorted set, and synchronized sorted map. What it will give, you will give any list. Suppose if we will use this synchronized sorted list, it will return a sorted list that is synchronized. Synchronized means if multiple threads are accessing, they will get the consistent result, means that is a thread safe. So we can say, in short word, we can say synchronized sorted list is returning a thread safe sorted list. Or if we will use synchronized sorted set, it will return a thread safe sorted set reference variable. In the same way, the last one is synchronized sorted map, that will return a thread safe sorted map. Okay, unmodifiable collection means what? It will return a collection from this collection that is not be that cannot be modified. Suppose unmodifiable, if you see here, what we are doing, we are creating unmodifiable list from this list, and after getting the temp list that is unmodifiable, we are trying to add some new element, but we will get one unsupported operation exception, because this method is not supported at all. This method is not supported at all. Okay, this is the meaning of unmodifiable collection. Next one is a checked list. What is the meaning of this checked list? It will return, we can add only the integer type of a element into this list now. That is the meaning of checked list. Okay, let's leave this, that will same only. Next one is a fill. We have already seen how we will use this fill method. It will fill this this list with this element, all element will be filled from this to this only. I think this fill is available for index also. No, it is not available. Okay, because sometime it is returning, sorry, okay, fill is available from this only. Okay, fine, because sometime if we use linked list or something, then array index will not be there. Okay, next one is fill frequency. Frequency means what? This is a fill. Yeah, this is a fill. This is a frequency. Frequency means how many times 5 is coming into this collection. How many times 5 is available? 1, 2 or 3. 3 times is there. So frequency of 5 is 3. Frequency of 5 is 3. Okay. Next one is okay. So here we have created one new list of 10 elements, but that element is a 0. Next time we want to copy from this to this index, from this to this one. Second one is the destination, first one is the destination, second one is the source. From this source to this one we want to copy, we can use this, we can do this copy using this method. But that element, if we, this source, this is the source, this list is source, this is the destination. The destination also must have the elements of a, either that element should be 0 or that should be something different, but that element, that list should be or that collection should not be empty. That should not be empty. If it is empty, it will not add. So that's why we have added the dummy elements 10 first. Okay. So it is a copy of that one. Okay. So this is the meaning of a copy. Next one is the max. Max means which is the maximum value. Which one is the maximum value? 9 is the maximum value. 9 is the maximum value. I think min is also available. In the same way, min is there. You can get the minimum value. Minimum value of this list is what? Which one is the minimum value? Minimum value of this one is 1. Okay, this is the min and max. Synchronized list, we have already seen this one. Synchronized list, synchronized map, singleton. This is the singleton list. It will return a singleton. Singleton means only the one object of that one list. It is returning. Okay. Shuffle is also available. You can do the shuffling the elements. Suppose this time this element is like that only. Next time again I did the shuffling. You can do, no issue. 2 times we have did the shuffling. So 2 times shuffling we are getting these things. This is the first time shuffling. This is the second time shuffling. Okay. Shuffling is nothing but the rearranging the elements only. Shuffling is nothing but the rearrangement of elements. That's it. Next one is the reverse. If we want to do the reverse of this collection, we can do using this method. This is the reverse of directly. Okay. Swap of this index to this index. That's it. Particular index will be from the particular index will be replaced. Suppose 0 1 2 3 4 4 and 5. This is the 4 and 5 index. So 4 and 5 index will be replaced. If I will give 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 from 0 to 8, so rearrangement, the element of 0 to first position is 5, it will go to the last one, last will go to first one. So this is the meaning of a swap. Replace all means how many 7s are available, that will be replaced with 0. Only one 7 is available, that will be replaced with the 0. This will be replaced with 0. So these are the methods that is available into this collection, or we may miss some methods. Some more methods may be also available, but majorly whatever the being used we have discussed here. I think almost we have discussed it, but if you find that any new method, that you can go through that one and you can see the documentation like that. We have already seen this one. No? This is the document tab. Okay, if it is not available, then go for here and search for DOC, documentation tab. Documentation. Oh no, sorry, no, not this one. Java documentation, sorry. That is a Java doc. Okay, so this is Java doc tab. Now suppose I want to know about this replace all method. So how we can know? Just click on this replace all and you will see the documentation here. It will give the documentation and what is the return type, what is the parameters. It will, you can see all those here. But almost we have discussed, almost all methods we have discussed. Okay, and in the next session we will see the stream API of java.util.stream package. So I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and we will see you in the next session. Till that, bye bye and thanks for watching.